Hey everyone, how we doing? Today we're unboxing the SRPC91 Save the Ocean Turtle. Wow. Yeah, that face is much nicer than anything you see on printed material. This is right out of the box. You can see here, it's my first time seeing it. It is a stunning watch. It's got that beautiful blue gradient. Goes from a lighter blue to a darker blue, just like you'd see in the ocean, and then the lines across the face, similar to waves. You know, we've seen a lot of turtles over the years recently, and this one just kind of blows it out of the park. Really nice. Look at that bezel. Nice little detail on that. So this model has a 4R36 like the other turtles. It's just a really nice blue face. Hopefully this video can capture it a little bit, but when you see it, it's got this brilliance that you really don't see with watch faces usually. Alright, I've taken the watch out of the box. Let's take a closer look at this. Look at the black there on the bezel. Now that's a nice little detail. Outly you would think it would be stainless, but the black crown there as well. Really nice. They kind of outdid themselves with that little bit of detail. You know, I kind of figured Seiko would just, do the blue color, keep everything stainless, but that two-tone with the black, it's barely noticeable when you look at the watch, especially when you see pictures of the watch. But in person, it really has a nice character to it. It frames the face perfectly. And there goes the trademark turtle cushion shape. Trying to bounce it around a little bit here so you guys can see it in different lights, at different angles and stuff to really appreciate how it looks. And here we go, on the wrist shot. Again, my wrist is about 7.5 inches, so I think it looks really good. It's a real good size. You can't beat it. It fits comfortable. It fits smaller than the actual millimeter size, so it's just a nice watch. And let's go and see how that loom is going. So here we go. This thing lights up like a Christmas tree.